Now, please lift your glasses and say congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Palmer. Boy, that sounds weird. Love you guys.
Love you. Love you too.
Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is my cabin.
Good evening, and welcome to Asheville, North Carolina. We gather today amidst the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to celebrate the union of Hannah Melissa Block and Maxwell Allen Patrick Palmer. This evening, we gather at historic Laurel Falls, a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of this region. As we stand in this sacred space, let us reflect on the significance of this moment. Just as the waterfall continues its journey, carving a path through rocks and foliage, so too do Hannah and Max embark on their own journey today.
HP, I love you. And I'm so happy that we're finally here at this day we've dreamt of for so long. I'm asking you to first, and me too, take a deep breath. Let's take this moment in. I stand here today with no reservations that you are the one for me. In this moment, I know I'm looking into the eyes of the greatest person on earth, who I'm meant to share forever with.
3 mornings ago, we woke up and drove to the top of the mountains to watch the sunrise. As we watched the first piece of light come over our favorite Blue Ridge Mountains, I couldn't help but think how lucky I was to be there in that moment with you. And yet, as amazing as that moment was, it wasn't the first time I felt those same overwhelming feelings of love or intense emotions of pure luck just to be next to you. Since I met you, leaning up against that fence outside our first date, I've had countless moments that felt like watching the sunrise. In our biggest moments and in the smallest ones, I can't help but wonder how I ended up with the greatest human on the earth. I keep wondering when my luck is going to run out, and yet each day it never does. Growing up, I had a lot of experiences with love. I learned about it because I was surrounded by people who gave 100% of their love to each other. I learned that there are endless ways to show love to those around you. I learned from my parents that love is lifting each other up and always supporting each other's dreams. I learned from my grandparents that love is traveling the world and sharing new adventures. I learned from my brothers that love is fun and always protective. And I learned from my friends that love is sometimes saying and hearing the hard stuff. It wasn't until I met you that I learned an entirely new meaning of love.
Hannah, I'm not looking at you. From the moment you came into this world, you have filled...
You got it. You got it. I got you.
Okay.
Yeah. That was the hard part.
Waiting?
Yeah.
Or that?
All of it.
You look great.
You look nice. This suit fits great.
Ah, thanks. I can't believe it's here. I can't believe it's here. Oh my God. You have filled our lives with laughter, love, and endless memories. Watching you grow into this remarkable woman who is so beautiful, kind, smart, selfless, and determined has made us very proud. I think anyone who has been lucky enough to spend time with her knows what I'm talking about. She is just a kind soul and a great person. Max, from the first day we met you, it was clear that you were something special. You are also a very kind and generous person, and I believe that is why the two of you are together and actually meant for each other.
It's been an incredible journey to right here, a place so dear to our hearts and important to the story of us and where we're going. So today, my love, here on this rock and peak, I want you to know what I vow to you for the rest of our journey. First, I vow to make you know every day how special you are to me. I always say, HB, I wish you saw in yourself what I see in you. And it will be my life's mission to make you see how truly special you are. There's an indescribable love and happiness you bring to everything and everyone in the world. So I will be your biggest proponent in everything you do. I will always be your biggest fan.
With you, love is being in a constant state of awe. Love with you exists in the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. Love with you is feeling just as safe in your arms in the home we've built as I do standing beside you in the busiest crowds and the loudest of rooms. Since we met, I've been able to become the best version of me because I've watched you become the best version of you. I will spend the rest of my life trying to figure out what I did to be lucky enough to end up on the receiving end of your love. You're my role model, inspiration, biggest fan, and best friend. You are a deep breath personified. I love you unconditionally forever and always. And P, you're my heart and my home.
Oh!
Max, you make this your bride.
And last, I vow to give you the love you deserve every day. Your capacity to give love is far beyond anything I've ever seen. I truly feel honored to get to receive that love every day for the rest of my life. When I felt I wasn't capable of giving love or didn't deserve love, you never relented. You never let me believe that I didn't deserve your love. You give me that all-consuming, truly vulnerable love that is one of a partner, best friend, and soulmate. In return, I promise to give that love back to you. You've opened my eyes to what it meant to be fully vulnerable, what it means to open yourself up to giving and receiving love. And for that, I'll return that love back to you for the rest of our lives. I love you. MP. Thanks.
Damn, that was good.